Hi everyone, let's see some of the important characteristic features of phylum Platyhelminthes. Well, phylum Platyhelminthes belong to the kingdom Animalia. This phylum includes almost 13,000 species. Platyhelminthes are commonly known as flatworms or tapeworms, and they are acyllomate and they include many free living and parasitic forms also. A few of them live as parasite on humans and other animals. Furthermore, it is because of this parasitic nature that they do cause some amount of trouble for the host animal. A few species belonging to this phylum can be a major cause of certain disease. Okay, let's see some characters. What about their habitat? Well, they are mostly parasitic, few or free living in seawater or fresh water. Their body is dorso-ventrally flattened and they don't have any segment present on their body. They have bilateral symmetry, means their body is bilaterally symmetrical. What about their germ layers? Well, from the evolution point of view, they are the first triploblastic animals. Well, their body is actually soft and it may or may not be ciliated. Rod-shaped bodies are present in the epidermal cells of Platyhelminthes, and these rod-shaped cells are known as rapiditas. These are protective and they are used in food capture also. Their body cavity is acyllomate, means they don't have any body cavity. And if you will see their digestive system is incomplete or it may be absent also. Well, for excretion, it consists of peculiar cells, and these cells are known as phloem cells. They are also known as solenocytes. We also call them as protonephridia, which these are meant for excretion and osmoregulation in their body. Skeletal system, respiratory system, and circulatory system are absent in them, but respiration takes by simple diffusion through their body surface. Nervous system, their nervous system is ladder like. It consists of brain and two main longitudinal nerve cords which are connected at intervals by transverse commissures. Okay, what about the reproduction? Well, these animals are generally hermaphrodite and the reproductive organs are well marked also. Fertilization is cross and internal. For example, we have tapeworm. In tapeworm, fertilization is found. I mean to say, self fertilization is found. Asexual reproduction occurs by transverse binary fission, which may occur in some flatworms also. Regeneration is well marked in them. What about their development? Actually, they have indirect development, means they have larval stage present in them. We have one example of liver fluke. In liver fluke, you can see merasadium larva. You can also found sporocyst larva, radia, cercaria, and metacercaria. All these larval forms are present in liver fluke. In tapeworms, oncosphere, hexacenth, and cysticerus larval stages are found. Now, let us see some of the unique features of phylum Platyhelminthes which are only found in them. Well, they have parenchyma present, they have flat cells present for excretion, their nervous system is ladder-like, okay, and they have self-fertilization which occurs in some flatworms also. Now, let's see the classification of phylum Platyhelminthes. Well, chiefly on the basis of mode of life, phylum Platyhelminthes is divided into three classes. Okay, so what are these three classes? So the first class is class Turbellaria. As you can see here, it is first class. Well, Turbellaria are mostly free living. They live in fresh water. Their body is dorso-ventrally flattened also. They have hooks and suckers present. Hooks and suckers are usually absent in them. There are certain examples. For example, we have Planaria. They belong to class Turbellaria. We have Bipalium. We have Otoplana, Notoplana. They are all examples of Turbellaria. Second class is class Trematoda. Well, class Trematoda, these insects are mostly parasitic. Their body is dorso-ventrally flattened or leaf-like. Hooks and suckers are present in this class. Okay, example is Fasciolia hepatica. We also call it as liver fluke. Third class is class Cystoda. Well, Cystoda class organisms are exclusively parasitic. Their body is also dorso-ventrally flattened, tape-like. Hooks and suckers are also present in them. Their digestive system is absent also. They have protonephridia with phlegm cells for excretion also. Examples of this class Cystoda is Taenia species, or we also call them as tapeworm. Well, these were the important characteristic features of phylum Platyhelminthes. Thank you very much for listening me.